morning. Today we start our first lesson, crop production and management. In this chapter we discuss mainly three topics: agriculture practices, basic practices of crop production, and then food from animals. First, do you know what is agriculture? Yes, agriculture has two words. First is agri, means field, and culture means cultivation. So, agriculture means growing plant for getting food and other useful products is called agriculture. The growing plants for getting food and other useful product is called agriculture. Now next is crop. What is crop? When plants of same kinds are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale is called crop. When we grow same type of plants on one place on a large scale is called crop. And crops are of two types. First one is kharif crops, and these type of crops are sown in rainy season. Example of kharif crops: paddy, maize, groundnut and cotton. Next one is rabi crops. The crops that are grown in winter season are called rabi crops, and examples of rabi crops are gram, pea, mustard, linseed. These are the few examples of rabi crop. So what is crop? Crop is the plants of same kinds that are grown in the same field on a large scale is called crops, and crops are of two types: kharif crops and rabi crops. Then what is agriculture practices? Agriculture practices are the activities or the tasks required to perform for the cultivation of crops is known as agriculture practices. And what is agriculture practices? It is the work or the activities that we perform for the cultivation of crops is known as agriculture practices. And the main basic agriculture activities are 7. There are 7 main agriculture activities. First one is preparation of soil, sowing of seeds, adding manure and fertilizers. Fourth one, irrigation. Then protection from weeds, harvesting, storage. These are the agriculture practices. First we discuss preparation of soil.